Beats Fit Pro, it's official now, and you can purchase it. It's it was a product that kind of like got announced a few weeks ago, that it was being said that look, Beats officially we are looking at releasing another earbuds, and the name was going to be called Fits Pro. Now this has come out. It's now selling. You can buy it, and I think a lot of YouTubers are already getting their hands on it for reviews, if you know what I mean. The Beats Fit Pro is a new true wireless earbud that's coming with wingtips to keep them in place in your ears. Um, it's it's at least from the company, it's they claim it's the most advanced earphone that they've made till date. They are designed for many types of activities that they've made it for. Um, you can use it to take your calls. You can use it while you're working out. It does come with multiple colors depending on what you're looking for. Purple, gray, white, black. It all depends on what you're looking at. It's coming with the Apple H1 chip, and you will get that benefit of the fact that Apple owns Beats now, so that H1 chip is going to be there, so it can pair up very nicely, easily uh, with any pretty much any uh, pretty much with any Apple device. Uh, it also has some features like one touch pairing. It does have one touch pairing, which it's not bad. It's not bad. Most Apple earbuds already have these features, and they do well with that for what they are. The ear tip test also ensures best fit. They included ear tip test. Uh, um, it also has Siri functionality, voice control. It's good. It's almost like an Apple Beats partnership earbuds type. Uh, there is a new custom transducer here that delivers good sound. At least they claim it's a very bassy sound generally. So it's uh, it's not the best sound. You know, one thing with beats is that they they tend to be very bassy, almost crazy V shape like. So I'm not expecting much of a change to that tuning. Uh, it's maybe it might be refined, but I'm not expecting anything crazy in any refinement to its tuning generally. But it will be a little bit better than what Beats have been releasing before in the past that were quite bloaty and messy in their sound presentation. It's coming with active noise cancellation. It's not bad. Active noise cancellation is necessary in this modern day and age. It does have transparency mode that lets you hear your surrounding. It has 6 hours of battery life on the earbuds. That's when you have the ANC on, or your transparency switched on. Then you have 7 hours of battery life when you have adaptive EQ mode activated. It has USB-C fast charging capability here, which when you're done with it, when you're done fully charging it with the case, it will last 27 hours, or 30 hours if you're not using the ANC feature. I think that's quite interesting. The the earbuds is going to work very well with Android devices as well, even though it's more or less tailored to Apple devices, and it's going to be priced at $200. And already you can start pre-ordering it. The pre-order right now is on. So we will see what happens. You can start pre-ordering. You can go to Beats official platform to pre-order it if you need it. But at the moment, it's the new product now that is available from Beats. If you do like this content, please like this content, and I'll see everyone next time.